Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitchin with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, I'm going to start this little one that I got from DPClubs this morning, and it's not too little. It's a 40 by 50. So yeah, I'm going to be starting up here in this corner, and the number that I'm using is 3836. And it's kind of a pinkish purple. Just lay it there, it'd be better that you can see it that way. So what's everybody doing today? I hope you're all having a great day. Well, the sun's out today, that's about all I can say, because it isn't much warmer than it was yesterday. Yesterday was just kind of a fail because it was so cold. It was 10 degrees and felt like -1 by the time I got home last night at about 9:30. Yeah, it was special. Could not believe it. Just could not. So, yay. I'm just itching to go somewhere. I'm just not real sure where that somewhere is. I wish they'd open the thrift store in their new place yet, but I don't know when that's going to be. I haven't seen any kind of, announcement in the paper or anything to that, thing that we like to do. Because I'm really needing to go to a thrift store and see if there's any things I can't live without, So, yeah. I think the last time I went to a thrift store, it was, around New Year's sometime. So, yeah. It's been a hot moment, and I miss the one here in town. But I'm sure it'll take them a little bit to get everything organized the way they want it and how to present it and put everything together, So, we'll see. But I will let you know if I get to go and if they have anything different and new. And hopefully this place will be, just as big as they had before. So, not real sure. Because they put it in a building that was a lumber company, and the lumber company moved to another location here in town. So, yeah. I've never been in there, so I have no idea what it was like. So, yay. But it'll be someplace new to go to. Hopefully they'll have it open soon. Yesterday, it was busy trying to get all the stuff put away, but other than that, it was not a good day for the box opener. Yeah, where is my hand? Cut myself just a little bit there, and then I got myself here. Some days, it's kind of like with cooking. I don't cut myself with a knife very often. And then all of a sudden I do it like 3 times in 2 days or some stupid thing, It's insane. So, no grand plans for the weekend. It's just too dang cold to go anywhere. But I'm glad that the sun is out, so that will help a lot. Yesterday the sun was out, but it was still mostly cloudy, but the sun kind of went in and went out, went in and went out. But I wouldn't say it brought any kind of warmth at all. None. Nope. Nada. So, yeah. It was kind of nuts. But I saw this and I just kind of wanted to start it and see what all these pinks and purples, and I think there's some blue in here actually, all look like together. That was Molly. She went in the kitchen probably to get a drink, and she came back and jumped back up on the couch by her blanket. Yeah, she likes her little blanket. Every once in a while, I'll cover her all up, and she'll sleep there for hours. And then another time I'll cover her all up, and she'll be out from underneath that cover in no time. So maybe it's just not as cold as I think it is. Yeah. Fun times. Fun times. And I don't think we got any plans to go down to Salida. That's where the Walmart is, and the other thrift store. I think they're open like 5 days a week. Maybe even 6. They may be open on a Saturday. I'm just not real sure. This material is kind of stiff, though. I kind of crunched it up there, but I don't know that I got it crunched too well. But it'll get better. It'll get better. I do have to go to the store, though, today and see what main attraction I'm making for this weekend. I just haven't got any, dagnabbit, any ideas on what to make. Yes, this is a different one. I don't know what happened to the other one. I will find it, though. It's here somewhere. It's probably on this desk, buried. But I thought it was on my needle minder thingy, but evidently not. So I had 2 magnets that I put together, and we'll just put it on there for right now until I find the other one. It's probably, I've moved a couple of things, so it's probably sitting there somewhere. Didn't stitch a lot last night when I got home. I'm too fried from sitting there doing absolutely nothing at home. Or at work. So, yeah. I sat there and listened to my, my audiobook at work after they all left. After we got the order all put away, because Bots left, and the other girl, of course, left at 2:30, so, yeah. It was kind of a long time to listen to my audiobook, but at least it was a good one so far, so, yeah. Still haven't gotten any regular mail. I got a package, but I didn't get, my regular mail, and I'm still waiting for the rest of the paperwork to come in for my, for my taxes and stuff. Oh, that's always so much fun. I really didn't feel like doing it this weekend anyway, but, And of course it'll show up, just to irritate the hell out of me. God. It's always an experience in terror doing my taxes. And I don't send them anyplace. My daughter and her husband do. But they have property and other things that they have to claim and do and blah, blah, blah. No. Mine's real simple, and you'd think that I could figure it out. So, and I do. It's pretty simplified. So, I have property, but nothing like theirs and all the stuff that goes with it. And so, it's just pretty easy for me. Hopefully you can see where I'm stitching. I thought this was a good color, but it is kind of light, But I just felt like starting a new project. Why not? We don't have hardly anything going. And this, fortunately will fit in one of those small bags that I took all the big stuff out of. So, and I've got a few of them left. I don't know when I bought them. It's been a hot moment since I bought anything from Amazon. So, we'll see. I was thinking I might surprise my daughter and go and get lunch and bring it to her house, and she don't want to go to restaurants, so I don't know, she says every time she goes to a restaurant she gets sick, so here we are. We'll see if that transpires today or not. She may have to go someplace and that I don't know about. She has to go and see the eye, the ear, nose, and throat specialist. Is that how that goes? That's a lot. But it's because of the ringing in her ears, so I don't know if they can do anything for that or see what, transpires there. I think that's next week, though, so not today. And finally get the kids back to school for, after Christmas and all that crap, and they got this Friday off. Oh, and then they had, I'll call it Martin Luther King Day. I don't know that it's called any other thing. That was last week when they had that Monday off. And then this Friday, the kids don't have to go to school because it's a teacher in-service day. Oh my goodness, yeah. So, fun times. Yeah, I'll have to give this a good crunch. Maybe it'll loosen this fabric up. It's just kind of stiff. Of course, I've been working with that 28 count Lugana, and it's real soft and easy to stitch on. It's easy to get screwed up on too, because it's like I stitch 12 stitches and then frog 10, It's like, okay. And then other times I can just keep stitching and stitch for a good hour and a half and nothing happens. What the heck is up with that crap? I'm telling you. So I don't know. I haven't picked a project to specifically work on. I try to do that every weekend, of course. Or like for the 4 days that I'm off, to try to get some progress. So it might be Louisa Cullimore and it might be something else. Who knows? I saw somebody working on Pandemic. Oh my gosh, it makes me want to get it out, but I messed up on that 3 times, not once, not twice, but 3 times. And yeah, and I think I've messed it up again. And I'm doing that on 11 count Ada. Oh my god, what'd you get in there? I don't know if this needle's too big or what the heck the problem is. But it is just a pain in the butt. So yeah, I haven't made any glamorous decisions. So I guess you'll see what you see. How's that? This weekend. Of course, we're going to be doing European Town on Saturday, but tomorrow and the next day, I got nothing for you. I don't know. Might be diamond painting. Who knows? It all just depends how I feel and what I want to work on. Alright, we got that part done. Holy cow, that took forever. So yeah, if your fabric's pretty stiff, just keep crunching it until it gets better. I crunch it going diagonal, I do it this way, I do it that way. Yeah. Alright guys, I think that's going to be it because that's about all my hands can handle. I'm going to have to get a better needle. For some reason, see, it won't hardly go through the fabric. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.